Mechanism of getting food by insects, frogs, birds. In animals, mouth parts are modified according to the type of food they take in and ways of eating. The mouth parts of insects like butterfly is modified into a long sucking tube known as proboscis. When not in use, it remains coiled below the head. Mosquitoes have mouth parts adapted for piercing and sucking. Frog uses its sticky tongue for capturing the prey. This tongue is fixed in front and free behind. When the frog wants to catch a prey, it shoots out its tongue and the prey sticks onto it. Now it is folded back together with the insect which is stuck on it. For preventing the prey from escaping, frogs use their teeth present on the upper jaw. Some birds feed only on animals and others feed on vegetarian food. Birds have beaks specially designed to catch or pick up food. Hawks and owls have hooked beaks. Ducks have a broad and notched beak which helps in scooping and straining the mud. Sparrows have short and straight beaks for crushing seeds. Chisel-shaped beak of woodpecker helps it for drilling into trees to look for insects. Vulture, eagle, kite, etc. use their feet and sharp claws to capture their prey.